TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes until that opening bell. And let's check in on the markets because we have some action this morning. CPI data coming out at 8:30 Eastern Time. CPI higher than what they expected. Quarterly looking at 0.5%, okay, so that was supposed to come in at 0.3%. Bottom line is some inflation in the market, and from here we have Dow futures currently off 257 points, trading at 24,369. S&P's off 30 points, trading 2632. NASDAQ futures off 74 points, trading 6485. And there you see that S&P drop on that news. Let's jump over to the VIX and see as the VIX, of course, is going to be spiking as this market accelerates to the downside. VIX currently 2534. Not too much of an acceleration, but we'll see where the day leads us. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform. Check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the S&P 500. So there is the news. You can see we were trading up above 2675, let's call it. And from there on the news, we drop about 1.4%, drop all the way down 45 points to 2630, getting a little bit of a bounce from that low. 2638 currently in the S&P 500. NASDAQ 100, similar action. All the major indices dropping on that news. We're up almost at 6,600, call it 6593 in the NASDAQ 100. Spiking all the way down. These are 5-minute bars. That is a 130-point NASDAQ 100 bar. You're talking about 2% on the NASDAQ 100 dropping, and same with the S&P's, getting a little bit of a rebound up to about 6,500 currently. Dow 30, same deal. We were trading 24,780. We drop all the way. Look at that, remarkable, almost 500 points, 24,780 to 24,288 in a 5-minute basis on that news. Pretty remarkable. Crude oil bouncing around as well on that news. There was almost no market that was not affected. Jumps from 58.74 down to about 58.30. We'll have EIA inventories, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Gold contract jumping down as well, getting a little bit of a rebound from about 13.33 down to 13.21, back up to 13.29. And of course, euro dollar strengthening, euro weakening a bit. And just to jump in, the other chart I want to look at, check out those yields spiking on that news back near 4-year highs. Pretty remarkable. We'll see where the day leads us. 30 minutes until that opening bell. Stay tuned. We have our man Larry Pesavento coming up right now with Trade What You See. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. We'll have those oil EIA numbers, of course, swim lessons, Basil Chapman at noon, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, and Tom O'Brien from 3 till 5 this afternoon. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much.